Now, we have learned that all sentences must end in either a verb or an adjective. And we have also learned that all verbs and adjectives end in da. But verbs and adjectives can also go elsewhere. So, I want a boat. 저는 배를 원해요. But what if you want to say, I want a big boat? Now there is an adjective and a verb in the sentence. So where does the other adjective go? Well, this adjective is placed in the same position as it would have been placed in an English sentence before boat. The sentence is now 저는 big 배를 원해요. I want a big boat. But big is 크다. So if we change big to 크다, it's 저는 크다 배를 원해요, which is incorrect because 크다 does not sound right in the sentence. And that brings us to the title of today's video, using adjectives with 년 and 은. Now, as we know, most of the time when using adjectives or verbs, we remove da and add something to the verb stem. So when we make an adjective that can describe a noun, we remove da and add 은 or 년. So when do we use which? Now when verb stems end in a vowel, we use 년, and when verb stems end with a consonant, we use 은. Therefore, 크다 becomes 큰, and 좋다 would become 좋은. So I want a big boat now becomes 저는 큰 배를 원해요. I want a big boat. Thank you for watching today's video. Please subscribe. Peace.